This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming sync and backing up any tabs so you don't lose work. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Edge, and note storage use and app version. Once you've verified sync, force stop the app to prevent background writes and clear only the cache first. This removes transient files and often fixes sluggish behavior without breaking sign-in. If cache fixes things, great. If not, you're ready to move to deeper steps that target corrupted app data and databases. Now you take the deeper actions that repair persistent corruption, clear app data, or perform a reset. Go to App Settings, Storage, and choose Clear Storage. Remember, this signs you out, so only proceed if sync is confirmed. If problems persist after clearing data, uninstall Edge and reinstall from the Play Store to replace potentially damaged binaries. Once reinstalled, sign back into your account and wait until sync completes fully before reopening many tabs or importing bookmarks, which prevents resynchronizing bad state. Finish by verifying permissions and network settings. Ensure background data and storage access are allowed, and turn off Data Saver during sync so content can restore fully. If sync keeps reintroducing errors, remove the device from your Edge account via account settings on another device or web, then sign in again. This forces a fresh sync. If things still break, test on another network or create a temporary profile on the phone to isolate whether the issue is account level, device level, or network related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.